Hi, I'm Damien and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to go on sweeping chapter number 2. So we're going to do work on minor and major triads on 5 strings. And we're going to take E minor triad and after E major triad. So let's start right here. So I'm trying to block the sound here on my guitar. I don't want any sounds like that coming on. So here we go. We're going to start on string 5, fret 7. Here I'm going to start with my pinky right here. So you see here I'm returning on string 5, fret 2, so I can have a balance. So of course we're going down, 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 down. So down, 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 down. So down, 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 up, down. Of course you could double here. But here we're going to work on with this one here. So you can have a really fast arpeggio like that. So that's the first triad. The second triad here, we're starting on fret 10 right here. You can go really fast like that. So of course the art of playing fast and good is to play slow. So you have to take the movement really slowly like this. There you go. Let's go on triad number 3. So here we're starting on fret 14. So you see I'm working on the phalanx here, so we don't have this sound here. So if you haven't seen the first video, I strongly recommend having a look at it. So there you go, you can go super fast. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So let's play the 3 together. So you can join the 3 together just like that. Okay, so practice them one by one. Take your time. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but I've been practicing for a while. Let's go on the major triads of E. So here, starting at the same fret here, fret 7. So here we go. So that's the first one right here. So that's the reason why on the first lesson of sweeping here, we were using this type of fingering right here. Okay, so you see I'm using the 4 fingers. You can try to escape that using 3 fingers, but you will see that the pinky will be useful anyway. Let's go on the second one here. So I'm working with the phalanx here with the middle finger. So let's go on the third major triad now. So here we're starting right here. And the pinky, watch out, goes on fret 16 because we have to hear the major third. So here you can have really beautiful sweeping arpeggios if you want to have a fast run or fast lick like that. Okay, so let's play the 3 together. I hope you enjoyed this second sweeping lesson here. Don't forget to subscribe to have more videos, please. That's really important. So review all the triads. Go really slowly here. In the video, I'm going a little bit more faster, but I recommend that you go really slowly and work on the sound. And remember to incline your pick down at a certain angle to get the sound, and always block the strings that you just played. Have a good practice, and see you for the next video.